Ready to transform messy data into stunning, insightful dashboards that drive real results? Let's dive into Looker Studio. First, connect your data. Looker Studio seamlessly integrates with Google Analytics, Google Sheets, SQL databases, and many more. Click Create, then Data Source, and choose your desired connector. Authorize access, and you're ready to bring your data in. Now, let's visualize. Start with a blank report and explore the chart options. Drag and drop dimensions and metrics to create interactive charts, graphs, and scorecards tailored to your specific needs. Experiment with different chart types to find the best way to represent your data. Take control with calculated fields. Need a specific ratio or a combined metric? Use formulas to create calculated fields and custom metrics to unlock even deeper insights from your data. You can find calculated fields under the Resource tab. Refine your analysis with filtering. Add filters to your report or individual charts to focus on specific segments of your data. This granular control allows you to answer precise business questions and identify key trends. Collaborate and share. Easily share your reports with your team and control access permissions. Schedule automated data refreshes to keep your dashboards up to date and always reflect the latest information. And don't forget about community visualizations and templates. Explore and leverage community templates to accelerate your dashboard creation. Looker Studio's Explore option allows you to explore and customize templates before saving it to your account.